Shape It Up, a math and technology activity designed for a kindergarten classroom by Caitlin Van Greshape. Today, the students will explore and understand the four basic shapes, a circle, triangle, square, and rectangle, by matching the corresponding shapes to each other and by completing a technology activity. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify and describe shapes such as a square, circle, rectangle, and triangle. The students will be able to describe objects in the environment using the names of the shapes. They will also be able to correctly name shapes regardless of their orientations or overall size. The students will all sit in circle time to start the lesson. I will hold up different shapes and sizes of shapes and ask the students to identify them. The students will be able to easily see the smartboard as well. After teaching and reviewing the basics of each shape, we will begin the technology activity. On the smartboard, I will present the program and show the students how to match the shapes. I will play the game multiple times to show students that the shape on the right side of the bar must match the shape on the left side. Each student will have a turn to go to the smartboard and match the shapes together. To make sure they understand how to play the game, I will ask students to point to the correct corresponding shape. Posters of shapes and their names will be displayed in the classroom year-round. I will ask students to identify shapes around the room. For example, I will ask the class to make a big circle in the middle of the room and then make a square, rectangle, and triangle. The students will then have 5 minutes to explore the shapes on their tables by matching them with the outline of that shape on the mats. To end this activity, the students will return to the front of the classroom for review. It is important to explain to the students that it is easy to identify these shapes in everyday life to keep them thinking. If this lesson is too difficult for some students, they can practice matching two identical shapes together at the tables. If this lesson is too easy for some students, they can practice drawing each shape.